Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Binance account so you can buy your favorite crypto. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Binance app on your phone. On this page, you can create an account with Google, Apple, email, or phone. For this video, I'm going to click on Email or Phone. Next, go ahead and enter your email or phone number you want to be associated with your Binance account. After you do that, go ahead and accept the terms and privacy policy and hit Next. You will receive a code to verify your email address. Enter the code and hit Submit. Here, it will ask you to set the password. Just make sure you use a strong password, and that's it. Your account is now created. You just need to verify it. Click on Verify Identity, select your country or region, and provide them with your personal information and your ID. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you next time.